The Clinical Research Services Corps, or the CRSC, is a component of the Translational Research Institute. As the Translational Research Institute of the CTSA program of the NIH was founded and started here on campus, this Clinical Research Services Corps has evolved to now be a core facility for clinical investigators and clinical researchers. It's made up of several components and facilities. We have different facilities for residential research beds, outpatient procedure rooms, a subject dining room, a DEXA scanner, a distance health telemedicine unit, as well as a sample processing lab and a metabolic kitchen. All of these different facilities, or the majority of them, are located on the fourth floor of the central building, which is the current home for the Clinical Research Services Corps. They are all designed to help the clinical investigator or clinical researcher run his clinical protocol, be it entirely up here or whether it's just components of his or her protocol being run up through this core. The different services that are offered by this core using these facilities include nursing services and procedure services, including lab draws, as well as any kind of nursing interventions or other things that call for nursing procedures. There's also research coordination and subject recruitment, and with regards to subject recruitment, we are now using a new entity called Research Match to link up potential study subjects with clinical protocols that we have active here on this campus. There's also a nutrition services part of this core that utilizes the metabolic kitchen, and so that for patients needing specific diets or other specific nutrition interventions to help with the clinical protocol, we can certainly help with those type services. And then finally, there's laboratory services usually used for pharmacokinetic sampling, but also capable of multiple other different types of laboratory services that might be involved with a specific protocol and specific things that can't be done on a regular nursing unit. The Translational Research Institute has two navigators that aren't specifically part of this core but are integrally linked with this core, and the navigators are there to help the clinical researcher get their protocol through the various approval processes and everything, and those navigators can be accessed through the Translational Research Institute. In addition to our services on site here on the fourth floor of the central building, we also do offer services at various satellites, including Children's Hospital, the Aging Institute, the VA Hospital, as well as others, so that we can adapt as readily as possible to the clinical investigator's needs.